Hello, welcome back to another video. Today we are making senesa. This is so yummy, so delicious. This is actually my first time trying out this recipe, and I must say I really enjoyed it. And everyone that ate this also enjoyed it. I paired it with this vegetable sauce, this spinach sauce. This is the sauce they use in eating senesa. If today is your first time coming across this channel, you're welcome. My name is Chidera. Please do well to subscribe, like, share, and do all the beautiful stuffs, okay? And to all my new subscribers, thank you so much, guys, for subscribing. You're welcome to this beautiful family. To my OGs, my returning subscribers, thank you guys for always coming back to support your girl. So, guys, start wasting further time. Let's get down to the video. So here is my tuwo rice. You use tuwo rice to make your senesa, okay? So I've already soaked this rice overnight. You can soak yours for 6 hours, okay? So I've soaked mine overnight. I've washed and then I soaked it. So now I'm just going to pour it into my blender and blend till smooth. You will also be needing cooked rice. Don't skip this part, okay? It's a must. Add in your cooked rice. So I'm just going to add in the cooked rice and then I'll blend it until everything is smooth. And when I'm done blending, I'm going to transfer this in my bowl. You see how creamy this is looking like? That's how you want it to be, okay? I'm just going to mix this until it is very well mixed. Then I'll add in sugar now. Add your sugar to your preference. And I'll also be going in with my yeast, okay? 1 teaspoon of yeast. Mix this very well to combine everything together. Then I will cover this with my cling film. I'm going to allow this to rest, okay? To rest for about 10 to 15 minutes, okay? Guys, if you have watched me up to now, it means you're enjoying this video. Please help me to subscribe if you have not subscribed, and if you have not liked this video, please help me to like this video. Don't forget to share this video and do all the beautiful stuffs to the channel, okay? Just going to cover this very well now, then I'll allow it to. So now this batter has rested for a while. As you can see, it has doubled in size, but then this bowl is small, okay? It did not contain this, but I'm going to be transferring it into a bigger bowl. Guys, our butter is ready to be fried now. Look how creamy this is looking like. So in a dried pan, I'm going to be heating up some oil. Just apply a little oil. Use my brush to brush it over, okay? You don't need much oil, just like when you're making your pancake. Once the oil is hot, I will go in with my batter, okay? Just scoop it as you want, small small, or if you want it to cover the pan, it's okay. So I'm just going to allow this to fry on medium heat, okay? And when you see it bubble like this, take it out, it is ready. No need to flip to the other side, okay? Just take it out. Your senesa is ready. And guys, look how yummy our senesa is looking like. This came out so perfect and so so delicious. I enjoy this, okay? And the sauce also is so yummy. Will you be trying this? Let me know in the comment section. Don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to leave your comment for me in the comment section, okay? Hope to see you in my next video, guys. Until then, please stay safe. Bye.
Even when I fall, your hand, you still there, hold my hand. Lover of my soul, you know they break my heart. I'll sing about your mercy, I'll sing about your grace. Now you there, bust my brain every night and day.